Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to explain something most people never understand about Google Ads or their Google Shopping local inventory ads results. So I just got this email, which is the business performance for July 2026, shows clicks, impressions, click-through rate. Now this is showing up 70%. This is the brand new print-on-demand business that I launched. So now if I click in that to view details, it's going to take me into Google Merchant Center. And here's what most people get wrong. It's going to show me 544 impressions. Now, most people think that means 544 potential consumers saw my product listing or my product ad or my ad when they went to Google. That's not actually the case. Really, what is happening here, what an impression means, is that the Google delivered that as a result. It doesn't mean that my viewport actually saw it. So let me show you what I mean. And it's important for when you're interpreting these numbers. So if I search something like cat food to buy, I'm going to get a bunch of Google shopping listings. I'm also going to get, local stores, things like that, the maps area. And I'm going to get more products. If I never scroll down beyond this, and I never scroll over here, these still count as impressions for me. So I'm here. These are the only ones I actually saw with my human eyeballs, but to the computer, to Google, it's going to tell you that even though this person didn't scroll down and view these, those still counted as having an impression in the search results. So sometimes if you are getting very low clicks or no clicks at all, you're saying, why I'm getting so many impressions, you actually need to dig deeper and understand that, hey, that doesn't mean I'm getting top of page impressions, which are over here, which people's eyeballs definitely see. It could mean that you're showing up, but you could be showing up way down in these results down here, and it doesn't mean that somebody scrolled to them at all. So just wanted to clarify that for people who ask when we talk about impressions. Your impressions don't necessarily mean that humans saw that. It means that it showed up in the search results, not that and in the page refresh, not that a human saw your product when they searched that query.